Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve Microsoft's activation problems. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow this support article of Microsoft. And basically here we will find some uh, unlicensed products and activation errors in Office and how to solve them. So basically, the first thing is to make sure that you are using the right account. So as you can see, or as you know, is that your license is related to your account. So if we go here to by Microsoft, as you can see, we'll be able to start like getting your plans that are linked to your account. So basically, you will need just to go to your office. So you can simply go to your office or simply go to any app, for example, the Word, and from there you will need to make sure that you are signed in to the right account. So uh, as you can see my trial has already expired, but still you can find my account that is connected here. And in case you have an unlicensed product, you'd see it like mentioned here, as you can see, unlicensed product. And after that, you will be able to check for multiple copies of Office. So in case you have like many copies of Office or versions, you will be needing just like to search for the one that you got the license for. So if you go to by Microsoft, you will need just to search for the Microsoft 365 apps. So you can just simply go like that, or just type Office or whatever, and from there you will find your exact app. And simply, you might also want to check your subscription status as we did like here. You can go to your account and find the status of your subscription. Otherwise, you can use the troubleshoot activation. You will be needing just to go to the Microsoft and you can choose your version for additional troubleshooting. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.